Hello dear students and welcome back to this online class video. This is the sixth part of 10th chapter tens and hundreds of class 5 subject mathematics. Let's start the class. Now let's have an overview of today's class. So in today's class we have a practice time, and in this practice time we will solve some questions based on decimal numbers and also fraction numbers. So now let's start. Here is a question and it is a match this, means match the column we have. So let's read the question. Match each yellow box, here we have yellow boxes, with one green, okay, here we have the green boxes, and one pink box, okay. So this is our question, we have to match this, okay. So let me arrange this first here, okay. So here we have to come to the middle column, means come to the green column first. As you all know that 1 rupee it makes 100 paise, right? So here you can see all the numbers, means all the things are written in paise. So first is 5 paise, okay. Let me solve it first. 5 paise means 5 upon 100. If when you will write in fraction, so you will get 5 upon 100. So let me check that where this type of fraction part we have in yellow box or not. So yes, here we have 5 upon 100. So let's match it. So we have matched it, 5 upon 100. Now in rupees column, which is in decimal form, we have to convert this fraction number into decimal number. So how do we convert? As you all know that in the denominator we have 100, means 1 and 2 zeros. So for the first 0 we take the first digit of the numerator, so 5 is taken. Now just write 5 here, okay. Now for the next 0, here we have no digit, so just put here 0. And as you all know, for the 1 we always put a decimal point, so now it will be 0.05 rupee. So check in the pink column where we have 0.05. So here in the third number, here we have it, okay. So first is clear. Now come to the second. Second is 25 paise. So let me write this number in fraction. 25 paise means 25 upon 100, because 25 paise is the 25th part of 100. So let's check in the yellow column where do we have 25 upon 100. So here we have no 25 upon 100. So let's find its simplest form. So it is 25 1ja and 25 4ja 100. So 1 upon 4 we got. So at last here you can see we have just a minute, we have 1 upon 4, okay. Now come to the pink column. Decimal form we have to find. So 25 upon 100, let's convert this number into its decimal form. So same thing you have to do. For this 0 we have 5, so write 5 here. Now for this 0 we have 2, so write 2. And for this 1 we take a decimal point. Now it is 0.25 rupee. So here 0.25, match this number with 25 paise. So second number is also solved, 25 paise we have matched. Now come to the 99 paise, and 99 paise means 99 upon 100, because it is 99 parts. So in yellow boxes here we have 99 upon 100, so just match it. And now find its decimal form to get the pink box answer. So for this 0 we have 9, for this 0 another 9 in numerators, and for the 1 take a decimal point and then 0, it is 0.99. So at last here we have 0.99. Now come to the next 50 paise. It is already done, here you can see. Now come to the next 75 paise. So 75 paise means 75 upon 100 rupees. So 75 upon 100 rupee. So where do we have 75 upon 100 in the yellow box? So here is nothing. So just try to find it simplest form. So both numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 1 ja and 5 ja 25. It is cancelled. Now it is 5 2 ja and 5 0 ja. Once again you can divide by 5. 5 3 ja and 5 4 ja. So 3 upon 4 you will get. So where do we have 3/4 rupee? So here we have 3/4 rupee. And now in decimal form you can write it as for this 0 write 5. On the numerator we have 5, so write 5. And for this second 0 just write 7. And now for the 1 take a point, so it is 0.75 rupee. So on the top here we have 0.75. Now at the last 10 paise. So 10 paise means how much rupee? 10 upon 100 rupee, right? So 10 upon 100. We can also simplify it. 10 1 ja and 10 10 ja means 110 rupee. So here we have 110 rupee. Just match it. Okay. Now let's find it decimal form to get the answer in pink boxes. So 10 upon 100. Okay. Let's write it up in decimal form. So for this 0 we have 0. So write here 0. For the next 0 here we have 1. So write here 1. And for this one, the denominator 1, take a decimal point and now it is 0. So 0.10. So here we have 0.10. Just match it here. So in this way this question means match the column we have solved. Come to the next, colorful design. Let's read it. What part of this sheet is colored blue? Dash upon 10. So here we have a sheet and let's see how many strips are here, parts are here. 1, 2, 3, then this is 4, then this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So total 10 color strips we have, 10 parts we have. After all we can see. Now blue one is only one strip, one part is here, so we can write as 1 upon 10. And here we will write 1. And as you all know, 1 upon 10 means 0.1 in the decimal form. Now next question, what part of the sheet is green? So here we have 3 parts of green, you can see. So we will write 3. Okay, what part of the sheet is green? So it is 3. So 3 upon it will be 10. And in decimal you can write 0.3. Now next, which color covers 0.2 sheet? Okay, 2 of the sheet. So 0.2 of the sheet, it means 0.2. So it means 2 upon 10. So we have to find a color which has 2 parts out of this 10 part. So what is that? Yes, so that is yellow. You can see here we have 2 yellow parts. So that will be 0.2 part. Now next, oh, the blue strip is 0.1 of the sheet. We have already done it. Now look at the second sheet, this one. Each strip is divided into 10 equal boxes. How many boxes are there in all? So here you can see the previous part, means the previous sheet was divided in also 10 equal boxes. So total boxes it will be 100. Okay, you can also check it by counting. So let me count first. On the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And same thing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So it is a 10 by 10 sheet. So total boxes will be 100. Now it is proved. Now each box 1 upon 100 part of the sheet. Yes, this yellow one is also 1 upon 100 part. This green one, this white one, this red one, each part is 1 upon 100 part of the sheet. How many blue boxes are there? So this is the blue part, right? And it is how many blue boxes are there? So we can write 10 boxes are there. So is blue equal to 10 upon 100? Yes, because blue is the 10th part of the 100. So it will be written as 10 upon 100. Now we saw that blue is also equal to 1 upon 10. Yes, 10 upon 100, this is the main part of the blue one, but you can also see that it is one part of the 10. Means if we will join these all blue parts, okay, and similarly also we will join the 10 parts of the same colors, like 10 yellows, 10 green, 10 white, 10 red, so we will get 10 colors, means sorry, not colors, 10 part. Total number of parts will be 10. So blue, it will be its 1. So we can write as 10 upon 100 means 1 upon 10. And in decimal form we can write as 0.1, or you can also write 0.10. Both will be correct. These all are same. You can also say that these are equivalent fractions and these are equivalent decimal numbers. 0.1 is equal to 0.10. Remember it. Now on the next page, so can we say 10 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 10? Yes. And 0.1 is equal to 0.1. Yes, we have already done it. Now can we write 10 paise as 0.1 rupee? So we can definitely say it. Now how many boxes are red? So let me count it. So these are 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 boxes are red. So we can write it as 15 upon 100. So it will, in decimal form, it will be written as 0.15. Now, as you all know, as you all remember, 99 paise is also written as 0.99 rupee. Now, 300 of the sheet is black. We can say 0.03 sheet is black. How can we say this? Actually, 3 upon 100, when we will convert in decimal form, so you will get, for this 0, here we have 3, so write 3. For this 0, here we have nothing in the numerator, so just write 0. And for this one, put a decimal. So now it is 0.03. Okay, don't write it as 0.3. Both are not equal. I want to say that let me write it once again. 0.03 is not equal to 0.3 because both have their own values. 0.03 means 3 upon 100. Okay, and 0.3, it has 3 upon, you can also write 3 upon 10. Okay, so in this way both are different, so don't make a mistake. Now how many white boxes are there in the sheet? So let's find the white boxes. So first here are 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22. So total 22 white boxes are there. So we can write as 22 upon 100. Okay, what part is white? So we can write as 22 upon 100. Okay, and 22 boxes are white. So make your designs. How? Here is a task. Make a nice design by coloring 0.45 part of this square red. Okay, so here okay, here it is a 10 by 10 by 10 square sheet. Okay, total we have 100 square sheets are 100 boxes. So here we have to take 45, means 0.45 means what? It is 45 upon 100. Okay, so we have to take 45 parts of the 100. So let me count the half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is fifth line. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be taken as like this. Okay, now you can make your own strip lines in this way. So this is 45 and this is 55. Now next is 0.05 part. So you can take 1, this part 1, 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. This is 0.05 part, and then you can color it or make your own design, any type of. So in this way you can make your designs. I hope you have very well understand this all. Now some questions I want to ask you, and you have to answer in the comment box. You have to convert these fraction numbers into decimal numbers. So first question is 50 upon 100. What is its decimal form? Similarly, 35 upon 100. What is its decimal form? Means what is its decimal value? And the last one, 7 upon 100. You have to write its decimal values in the comment sections. So now let's over today's class. See you all in the next video. Till then, be safe, be healthy. Jai Hind.